Hey guys, it's Brendan here from Brendan's Mobile Detailing. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. I just wanted to show you guys my new Tornado that I got that I'm going to be unboxing today. Let me show you guys what I got here. Alright, so what we got here is a brand new Tornado in the box here. Let's see what we got here on the side of the box. I'm gonna do a little unboxing here. It's like Christmas Day. Oh my goodness. So this is just the top half. I'm just gonna show you guys this. So just have a look at the quality of this. Oh my goodness. Wow. Let alone. So this comes off like this. Guys, this thing is like crazy, the quality. So look at this. It actually has inside here where this is a complete solid piece, and it's oiled as well. So it's like a ball bearing inside here, I take it. So it's not like the cheap Amazon one where it's like exposed, where it's like you get that plastic piece that just hangs out here and it just whips around, and it really is like, it's horrible. So this one actually has a ball bearing in it, and it spins so smoothly. A lot of guys, I guess what they're doing, guys or girls, or what they're doing, is removing, I'll show you here, is removing this piece right here, and basically just using this as like a gun, and just for being able to spray and blow all the debris. But here, so it comes with a canister as well. Give me 1 second, see what else this comes with. So I guess this is just for storing. Comes with a few things in the box here, so let's just have a little look here. Excuse me. Here's the instructions. I'll show you guys that in a minute. Pretty well everything that's in the box. 1 second. So it comes with this canister, and it also, let me show you guys here. So it comes with a really nice filter here as well. So you can pretty well be able to suck up the liquid from any angle, which is really nice. It's like a counterweight, so to speak. So this goes here just like so. This is 1,000 milliliters. And it has your on and off for your liquid. And instruction sheet, which it comes with as well. Gives you the whole breakdown, basically. It's a pretty intense unit that we got here, so let's have a look. There's one more box here, so I'm not exactly sure what this, oh, I see. Okay, so it comes with this little piece right here, which is cool because I like really using this a lot as well. So this is pretty cool. I'll probably end up using this end. I'll end up using this end a lot more than the other end. It's just because, like, if I do vinyl or carpet or cloth or anything like that, I just find that this one is usually the better one. So that's it, everybody. The Tornado Black cleaning gun. So if you haven't already, give your guys self a look at one of these Tornado Black from Auto Valet. And also I just noticed too, it says oil daily, so this I would definitely recommend. And there is some cleaning solution that you should recommend that I would recommend anyways to use. I wouldn't just use any solution for this, so follow next for I will show you guys the proper solution to use on this gun. And that is it, everybody. The Tornado Black. Cheers. Like and subscribe for more Brendan's Mobile Detailing. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.